Rover 45 variant, MGZR, and the MGZT there. .2, top of the range there, HLS. Now I think this may well have the power steering, comfortable seats, certainly good for towing. Gay Classic Car Group, wherever they are. And they're moving on. Those cars here, we've got the MG ZR. I think that's the MGF. A lot of people here today. The sun's come out. We've had a bit of cloud, but certainly the sun's been out. Mostly it's not rained, and the weather has been just right, really, for a car show. Austin Maxi there we are, the Austin Maxi low lug. I think my grandpa had 3 of these as company cars. First hatchback, there we are, as I've said on previous videos. Maxi 50, HLS, there was a V-Reg here. This is the, I believe this is the Mark 1. Updated, ensure later. Got the Rover 75s here and the MGs. Bromley Rover District MG Owners Club here as well. Bromley being probably about 2 or 3 miles away from here. Not that far.
It's okay, I go back this morning because it wouldn't start. Really? Running back to the so I'm trying to half a mile to get here because I live down the road.
At least the battery's all right now. Bromley Road and District Owners Club there are. Yeah, wouldn't need a run start. MG's of course being very popular as with other cars here. Rover 75s as well here. was the battle cruiser SD1 here, very popular in the 80s, sort of fast hatchback. It's deregistration, very last made. Of course, they stopped making these in '86. And that very, probably should say, exclusive minivan there for sale, looking for about 14,000. 14,000 minivan must be very rare these days. Lest we forget their MG-ZT and the later offering, the MG3 here. Alongside the MG6 there, which of course they don't make those anymore. That was later production. The company was resurrected by things SAIC in China, taken over by the Chinese.
Make sure she don't go in the car.
Mostly though kept the name alive, and of course a very growing, expanding motor industry in China. Road enthusiasts, West Midlands, and there's lovely old Wolseleys here, MGs, and we have the posh Princess 1300. Some people leaving. Plenty early. Lovely minivan there. Meanwhile, that lovely Wolsey 1500. Another one next door. Alongside that lovely Regal Vanderpar Princess 1300. This is the posh exclusive version. There we are. August 73. Dispatched to Henleys, Bristol, 15th of August 1973. Registered by Bristol County Borough Council on 1st of September 73. 39,000 miles. There we are. Made in Carley. Trimmed by Vanderplat, Kingsbury, London. Factory fitted extras, automatic transmission, heated rear window, automatic seat belt. Yeah. Automatic seat belt, interesting. There we are. Revolutionary of the day. That lovely Princess 1500. The Morris mine is leaving here. Leaving already, and the Morris 1000 van here. Very popular workhorse in the day. Burnage, Manchester. And we have the Morris Ital here, there on the A-Reg. And the Austin Allegros next door here. Austin Allegros here.
You're going to say hi.
Go say hi to him, man.
Where is he?
There, look, in the red t-shirt.
Here goes the Morris 1000 van here. Try and get out. I know which way he's going. I was going to. Lovely old van here. Very popular in the day. Apparently garages had waiting lists for those. So reliable and practical. There we are. Longbridge Rally here. And there's Triumphs here, a bit of customisation as well here. That's the Rover P5 there as well. Austin Cambridge. Minivan. Getting quite rare there. Triumph. Morris got the Morris Minor. But here we have the local Reverend Colin Cork's cars here. 2 of his 3 or 4 cars, I'd say. He got rid of the Rover 75, he's just done so many miles with an everyday car. He's got an A40 and he's got these 2 Allegros. He used to have 3 Allegros at one time in the 1990s. He's got 2 Allegros here. This is the Harvest Gold, I believe. Austin Allegro, the trusty Allegros, which he swears by. Being exceptionally good cars, practical and economical. There we are. And Audi have copied the steering wheel, by the way, and I've seen it. Shows it was revolutionary at the time.
I understand, yeah.
The Austin Allegro, owned by the local vicar here. Austin, that's on 1100 or 1300. Starting to leave here. It's 1100 there. The Wolseley, 1300. Lovely little cars, very economical, practical, easy to maintain. Got the police metro, the police are leaving here. Actually, it's probably it is the metro. Before the Rover 100. Here's another MG ZT. Need some Polish here as well. Seen the Polish, seen some of the Germans here. There are a few French here and a few Dutch. That's not so many as there is normally. Interesting colour scheme. There we are, the Rover 220 Coupe. Some people leaving here from the Longbridge Rally 2023. Let them through here. Seen the Reverend Colin Cork here with his 3 cars, the Metro, the 2 Allegros, the local vicar reaching out to the locals here. Had a tough time during the pandemic. Another mini Sprite here. And the Reverend Colin Cork's cars here, the 2 Austin Allegros. We've got a Austin Princess, I think he bought more recently, in the lockdown. Coupe there. Some people leaving here, the Austin Metropolitans there as well. And here we have the Mini Moke. Certainly a few of these in the Caribbean. Great car for the sun. The Mini Moke. Here he comes. What is it? Is it a hot rod or something?
It's a drag car.
Right, go.
1,000 horsepower.
Yeah. Drag car. Something unique here. And the rather regal Rover P4 behind.